also welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Lauv here with a song called Molly in Mexico. So we'll do a couple of Lauvs now because he released some songs recently here. This one, Molly in Mexico, it's pretty straightforward. It will be a pretty fast one, this tutorial, because it's the same chord progression and same strumming through the entire song, you can say. So we'll look at that capo on the second, and we have these four chords starting with G. Okay, so it's third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord will be B minor. So it's a bar here on the second fret from the A string and down. So that means 5 strings from bottom up, and the rest will be fourth on G, and third on B. We'll stay here with the bar on the second fret for the F sharp minor chord. So this time you bar all strings on the second, and the rest will be fourth on A and fourth on D. And there you have your F sharp minor. And the final chord will be E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And that will be the chord progression for the entire song: G, B minor, F sharp minor, and E minor. Now, what about the strumming? Let's grab this G, and we'll illustrate with that one. It will be down, down, clap, down. Okay? So that is one strumming round. Okay? So slowly. Down, down, clap, down. Down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down, 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 clap. Okay, and so on. So you're gonna do 4 strumming rounds per chord, and with this chord progression, slowly it will sound like this. E minor and F sharp minor, and finally E minor. Yeah. And that is actually this song Molly in Mexico. You need to speed it up a little bit to match up with the song here. So something like this. Yeah, you get it. If you nail this, you will make the song. So that will be Molly Mexico from Lauv. See you soon and play tuned.